Hey everyone, it's Jim speaking, and I'm just here at BrantNaz, and I hear bells ringing. I hope you're all out right now, ringing in the Christmas season. You can always catch this later. Anyway, it's a beautiful night, it's snowing out. There's nothing like a nice snowy Christmas Eve. So we got our Jeffrey here. Everybody loves Jeffrey. And we got Lorraine Patterson. And we have Pastor Mark Patterson.
Hi Brantford, Pastor Mark Patterson here at BrantNaz, Brantford Church of Nazarene. If you want to join us in 28 minutes, we're going to be online, Facebook Live for the Christmas Eve service, and you're going to have lots of singing and a great time excited to read from the Word as well. So join us in 28 minutes on BrantNaz Facebook Live.
There's Lorraine. And our Jeffrey. Merry Christmas, everyone.